If you're running a photo contest in WordPress, you'll need a way to accept photo submissions on the front end of your website. That way, contestants can enter your contest with an image upload. Our favorite way to do this is with RafflePress, the best WordPress giveaway plugin. It lets you run viral contests on your WordPress site to grow your traffic, social media followers, and subscribers. The first step is to install RafflePress, so let's head over to rafflepress.com, or you can click the link in the description below. I'm going to be using RafflePress Pro, so you can click on the orange button here to get RafflePress and select the account that makes the most sense for you. Once you have an account, we're going to click on Login here at the top. On the left-hand side, let's put in the email address and password that you used to create your account and click on Login. Great, go ahead and click on the second tab from the left here called Downloads, and we'll click on the Download RafflePress button here. We also need the license key here in the bottom left-hand corner. Let's go ahead and grab that by clicking the little icon here to copy that to clipboard, and we can go ahead and close this tab. Here I'm logged into my WordPress dashboard. This is a clean installation of WordPress. And on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to Plugins and Add New. At the top, we'll click on Upload Plugin. Here, we're going to click on Choose File and select that zip file that we just downloaded. Or if you're using a same or similar browser, we can click here and drag and drop that zip file right here and click Install Now. On the left-hand side, let's click on Activate Plugin and we'll paste that license key right here. Next, let's go ahead and click on Verify Key. And in the top right corner, you should see a green success message. I'm just going to close this tab at the bottom of my browser. And now we're ready to create a new giveaway. On the left-hand side here, we'll see RafflePress now. Let's go ahead and click on Add New. And we got to give our contest or giveaway a name here. At the bottom, it tells you to select a template. So we have the classic giveaway, grow your email list, refer a friend, etc. These will just add some default actions to your contest or giveaway. For example, if you want to grow your YouTube channel and you select this template, it'll add the YouTube actions there to help you grow your YouTube channel. Let's just click on the classic giveaway for now, and I'll use this template. Here we can see the giveaway builder inside of RafflePress. At the top, we can see three different sections. We have template, setup, and publish. We already did the template. Now we're on the setup section. And then on the left-hand side, we have details, actions, design, and settings. To start off with details, here we can click on the title or anywhere here on the preview for the contest. This will open up a editor where we can put in the name of the contest, a description, an image, and then we can click on Done Editing. Let's go ahead and do that. Great, so I added the title here and the description. Let's go ahead and select an image here. And I have one here in my media library. You can just simply upload a new image if you want to use one. I'll select this one and we'll use the kayak and click on Done Editing. There, now we can see a little bit of a preview of what this giveaway will look like. And then on the left-hand side, we have the start and end time. Let's go ahead and select the start date and then the finish date. You can also select the time as well and the time zone. Great, now that we're done this part, let's go to the left-hand side and click on Actions. By default, we have three ways to enter. They can visit us on Facebook, they can follow us on Twitter, and they can visit us on Instagram. The one that we're looking at, though, is we want them to submit a photo. So let's scroll down here on the page, and under Get More Traffic, we can see Submit an Image. Let's go ahead and add this action here. And if you want to remove some of these, you can go ahead and just click the trash can here to remove them. So for example, if we only want to submit a photo, let's go ahead and just leave that as the only option to enter the contest. Once you select on this, you can see on the left-hand side that we have the entry options. We have submit an image, the value of how many points they get. Since there's no other actions here, it makes sense just to leave this to 1. You want to make this mandatory. And if you want to allow people to have daily entries or not, down here you can briefly describe what users should do, so give them some type of instructions. Maybe keep it to local waterfalls if there's a lot of them in your area, and just have a competition on the best photo. Great, once you're happy with these options, let's click on Design on the left-hand side. At the top, we have Layout. We can switch between what we have now or Image Header Text, so this moves the image to the top. We can change the font if you like. You can select a different one here, as well as the button color. This is for the use your email to log in, so we could change this to something else if you like. We can also change the page background. Now, this is if you put it on a standalone background, which RafflePress does for you automatically. So you can go ahead and select a color here, something that makes sense and looks good. I'll just go with a simple blue here, like the water. You can also upload a background image if you like and add some custom CSS. Great, lastly, the tab here, we have Settings. So here we can go through General. You have the contest name if you want to rename this. You have the page permalink. So I'll just name this, let's go ahead and name this giveaway for now, but you can give it a unique name. There's some display options here for hiding totals, showing winners. If you want to limit 3 assignments per IP, you can do that. If you want to show the RafflePress link and support the plugin, that'd be fantastic. As well as you can join our affiliate program and place your link in here. We also have email verification if you want them to confirm their email address. And we do recommend using WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms to make sure that all of your emails are getting delivered. We also have success tracking here, so you can enter some unload scripts and conversion scripts if you know what you're doing there, as well as the success redirect, so you can turn this on, and after they enter, they can be redirected to a specific URL of your choice. You can create a thank you page, possibly. Also with the social logins, if you want to allow Facebook logins, you can turn this on, and there's a link here to show you how to get your Facebook app ID, which you can just paste in here. And for those who need to comply with the GDPR, you can go ahead and turn this on and paste your consent text in here. We also have reCAPTCHA if you want to enable the invisible reCAPTCHA with the site key and secret key. There's a link here as well to learn how to do that. As well, if for advanced users, you can use webhooks. We can turn these on, and you can enter a request URL, the format, and the headers here. Again, if you're not sure what you're doing, you can just turn these off. Great, let's go ahead and save everything that we've done so far, and we'll go to the Publish tab here at the top. There's 3 different ways to include your contest into your website. You can use the WordPress block, so you can put this right into any post or page on your website. Just simply use the Gutenberg or the editor blocks and search for RafflePress, and you can just select the contest that we just created. You can also use the shortcode if you want to do that. Here's the shortcode for this right here. You just copy that and paste it into wherever you want to put the shortcode on your website. And lastly, we have the dedicated giveaway landing page, which we set up already with the URL here. So just double check that we saved everything. We'll click on View Page, and here we can see our finished contest page on a dedicated URL on our website. You can see the entries, the total entries, the days left, the title with the photo, a little description here, a way to log in, and then submitting an image. It won't let me do so until I log in. So let's go ahead and use your email, put in a name and email address, and I'll click on Enter. Next, we can click on Submit an Image, and it'll ask you to choose a file. Once you've selected a file, simply click on Submit Image, and you'll see a little check mark here. Now back inside of WordPress, we can go to RafflePress and Giveaways, and here we can see all of the entries. So we just did a test entry right now. So we can see that there's been one user with one entry and the contest details here. We can click on Image Entries here to see what the entries actually were. And here we can see the email address, the name, the action that took place, the actual image, how many points it was worth, and when this was submitted. So here's where you can review all of the pictures, and then you can finally pick a winner. To pick a winner, we can come back to Giveaways, and we can end the contest here, and then it'll tell you that you need winners. Let's go ahead and click on Need Winners, and you can use RafflePress to automatically pick one for you if you like, or you can manually pick one. So maybe you selected your best images only. How many winners do you want to pick? If you want to include unverified emails or only verified, and then choose your winner. Since we only had one test entry, you can see that it selected this one. Then you can go ahead and email the winner. You can disqualify them, show the other entries, and then the information here. So there you have it. In this video, we shared an easy way to collect user-submitted photos in WordPress by using RafflePress and to run giveaways and contests on your WordPress website quickly and easily. Please like the video and subscribe if you found this helpful, and check out these videos for more helpful RafflePress tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.